This is Anglia Tonight.
With the news from where you live here on ITV1.
A Muslim group is spending thousands of pounds on advertising campaign across our region promoting peace and understanding.
The Ahmadiyya Muslim movement is trying to distance itself from the image of terrorism and extremism. Kate Prout has this report.
Taking passengers through the city of Cambridge, taking the message of tolerance and coexistence to the streets. 80 buses in Cambridge, Bedford, Luton and Stevenage are all carrying the slogan of the Ahmadiyya movement.
We are a transparent community, we're an open community. Our mosques are open, you can come and visit. The only condition is when you go in the mosque, you take your shoes off. You should be clean, otherwise.
Since the London bombings of the 7th of July and closer to home, of course, the Muslim anti-war march in Luton, Muslim extremists have tended to steal all the headlines. Abdul Sami hopes to change all that.
We want to relay the true message of Islam, which is peace. Peace for coexistence. We don't believe in any terrorism of any kind. We condemn that.
The Ahmadiyya movement was established by Hadrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad in 1889 in a small remote village in the Punjab in India. Since then, the Ahmadiyya Muslim Association has spread throughout the world, arriving here in this country in 1913 and opening the first ever mosque in the UK in London in 1924. There are many misconceptions about the Islam faith, and leaflets like these hope to dispel some of those myths. For Abdul and his colleagues, this is just another step towards integration and understanding. Kate Prout, Anglia News, Cambridge.